Hello students, this lesson is about plotting coordinates on a graph, connecting those coordinates with a line, and then determining where the line crosses the y-axis, which is called the y-intercept. You could see we have a graph, and we have here the x-axis, which goes across positive, negative numbers. And we have the y-axis. And again, these go up and down, positive, and then negative down below. You can see the coordinates that we have up here that we're going to plot on the graph. And the first coordinate number is the x number. And so we're going to find that number first on the x-axis. So here we go, it says -1, and we're going to go to -1, which is right here. And then it says a +7, so we're going to go up. The next number is how far we go up on the y-axis. So here it is, -1 and 7. We're just going to put a dot right there. Good. All right, the next coordinate is 2, 1. The x is 2 and the y is 1. So where is 2 on the x-axis? +2 is here. And we're going to go up 1 on the y-axis, and we're going to put a dot right there. Okay. And thirdly, we have 3, -1. So again, +3 on the x-axis here. And it says -1. -1 is right here. We're going to go across, and we're going to put another dot right there. Okay, so what we did is we now drew a line connecting all of these dots. And it's important to use a ruler. I'm not able to use a ruler on this site, but I drew a line as straight as I possibly could. And now we're going to determine the y-intercept. What does that mean? It means that we are going to find the point at which the line crosses the y-axis. And it should be right at one of these numbers. What number do we see? It's +5 on the y-axis. And so based on the coordinates that we plotted, the line that we drew, the y-intercept will be number 5. And that's all for this lesson.